In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Snowflake cache. If you're managing data in Snowflake and running queries, you'll find that understanding how to clear your cache effectively can improve both performance and cost efficiency. Let's dive right in and explore this process together. To get started, you'll first need to open Snowsight, which is Snowflake's web-based interface designed for data exploration and management. It's user-friendly and provides a range of tools and options that can make managing your database a smooth experience. Once you're in, head over to the Compute section, which is where you can manage your virtual warehouses. Warehouses in Snowflake are crucial because they perform all the necessary tasks such as data loading, unloading, and querying. Now, within the Compute section, you'll find an option labeled Warehouses. This is where you can see all the virtual warehouses associated with your account. Find the specific warehouse that you're interested in managing. Perhaps it's one you use regularly and want to optimize for better performance. Or maybe it's a warehouse that incurs a lot of your data processing costs. Click to select the warehouse you wish to work with. Once you've selected the right warehouse, you'll see an option to edit the warehouse settings. This feature allows you to adjust various parameters that control how your warehouse operates. Within these settings, you should look out specifically for the Auto Suspend setting. This is a critical feature that can help manage your resources more effectively. Adjusting the Auto Suspend setting provides control over how long your warehouse remains active before it automatically suspends. This is important because once a warehouse is suspended, it stops incurring costs. If you're looking to optimize costs while managing performance, setting an appropriate auto-suspend time can make a big difference. Adjusting this setting to a time that aligns with your operational needs ensures you're balancing cost efficiency with the availability of resources when you need them. And there you have it. By simply following these clear steps, you can manage your Snowflake cache more effectively, ensuring that your data queries run smoothly and cost efficiently. Remember, managing warehouses effectively means understanding how they work and making sure that your settings reflect your operational priorities and budget considerations. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. I hope this guide on how to clear your Snowflake cache has been helpful. Keeping your settings optimized is key to maintaining performance and cost effectiveness with Snowflake. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on data management and cloud computing. Until next time, take care and happy computing.